What's good, YouTube? This your boy Ghostfighter 2T's here with my two lovely daughters, Miss Olivia on the right and Miss Aaliyah on the left, and we're gonna be doing the unboxing of this Razer E100, and it is the electric scooter. You can see it has like the sizes, the power, action, speed, and it has up to 10 miles per hour, which I think is pretty good for a kid. Let's see if I can get some kind of zoom on that. There we go. Focus that up. Let y'all see that. See the stuff on that. But I think this is pretty good speed because they have one that's for my size, and now that my daughter has one, she's making me want one. I weigh about 255, 260, and you know that's in shape. You know what I mean? But anyway, yeah. So with that being said, I'm gonna get one, and mine, the one that I'm getting is like 15 mile an hour, and the max weight of it is like 270 or something. And yeah. So this one, congrats to you getting it, Leah. Her lovely aunt got it for her. I think it was like for a birthday, and then she just got so busy she forgot to send it off, and now it finally has come. So we're doing a full unboxing of it. So we're gonna get right on into it. I'm gonna help her unbox it, and we're gonna go from there. Ready? All right. Let's see. Come on, pull the other tab. I ain't doing all the work by myself. It might not be that bad. It might not be that much to even do. Okay.
It'll be back inside.
Yep, pull that tab down. Oh, Lord. It looked like a lot of parts.
Yes, it really does.
I guess, guys, you're going to know what to expect when you get yours.
This one's
It's
really
going to come
heavy.
already equipped with the piece. So,
Yeah.
I don't think that it's heavy. I think that it's just how it's in the box. Ooh, this thing is heavy. This thing must got a big battery. Lift it back up. Now move the box, Binky. Push the box out of the way, baby. Good job.
Strong.
All right. Man, that thing is shiny, Liv.
Yeah.
Look at there. All right. Take that off. Here, help me take this off.
Scissors?
Help me take this off. Oh, look at there. Man, this thing is sweet.
Kid.
Look at that. What it
Kick
say?
off. Twist.
What it says, to engage motor, kick off, twist the throttle. Okay.
And then
It's
go.
just saying quick, you know, to, hold on, Libby, hold on. All right, that'll come off eventually. All right, so you holding that part up, Binky?
Mm-hmm.
I'll make sure I don't get your fingers.
I'm ready.
Yeah, go get the scissors, and I think we can just take this part right here. Here, Leah, you can hold it for me. Yeah, hold it for me while I do it. So, I'm pretty sure you take this off. I'm pretty sure it says push, kick, start, twist. Electrical must move at 3 miles an hour while twisting the throttle. Ain't nobody moving at no 3 miles an hour while twisting the throttle. Kids be going full throttle. Take that off, that off. That's the charger. You can see it's not much to it. It's not like it's no big thing. It does have an owner's manual in there, but as you can see, here's the pieces. And I'm pretty sure you put it on like, oh, you holding it?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it doesn't come with the, I'm pretty sure it probably comes with the pin to tighten and loosen this up. So I'm going to have to get my screwdriver, so we'll be right back with the next part of the video. Alright guys, so we're back. And as you can see, come on in. You can see everything's been put in. No, don't make it fall, Bink. It can fall right on your big head of yours. You can see, I'm going to give you an up close of just what it looks like, so you know what you're getting when you get yours. It is so sparkly pink, and it got the you know, the turn knob is right there. Okay, now slide over, Bink, so I can show them. Then you come around on this side, and there's a little switch right here, and it cuts it on. So that it says on even with it lit up, and that's off. And your little kickstand is right here for it. When you're on concrete, I'm pretty sure it'll hold up, stand up a lot better than it will, you know, sitting on this box that I got it sitting on. You can see it got the brakes that come up the line, and the brake is right there for the handle. Stop touching it, Bink. So there you have it. So now I'll show you what it looks like with Aaliyah on it to show you the size. Aaliyah's about 4 foot. Not sure you're quite your height, but you can see her on it. You can see what it looks like. So there you have it, man. That's the full unboxing. And I think I did have it on at one point. I had it on, but I got it off now. But here's the tool that comes with it to put this part on. Okay, it comes with the tool. And here's the charger. Okay, here's the charger. And here's the end piece. Okay, and I'll show you what you do. Watch out, baby. You lay it down on the side. That's the little kickstand. You just unplug this little hole here, and you just look at the prongs, and it goes like that. Not hard to figure out. You just push it in there like so, and then you start charging. Put it in the wall, start charging. Alright, well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leah, you excited to ride it? It'll probably be this afternoon. Maybe we'll get another video out to you guys of her actually riding it, and what we think about after her riding it. The back tire is like kind of like a skateboard tire, I guess, for performance and smoothness. And the front tires are actually a pumped up tire. So there we go. Say bye, Livy. Put that gum in your mouth, girl. Alright, love you guys. Ghost Gang. Make sure y'all drop a like, drop your sub. Make sure y'all like and comment. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe you guys can get your daughters one. I think they range anywhere from $150 to $300 if you're shipping it. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoy. See you later.